name is Mariam and I'm from UAE. Today I'm going to share a review about Bath and Body Works The Big Sale. The Bath and Body Works Duck is back. Yes, there is a sale and still I think 1 or 2 days is left. So I did shopping on weekend and I'm going to show you my Bath and Body Works shopping haul. First I'm going to show you the best one there, foaming hand washes. See, on weekend there was a sale around 15 hours and the price of these hand washes are 12 dirham. If you are living in UAE, go and grab these body washes, but now the price is 15 dirhams. On weekend it was a 12-hour sale, so I bought as you know, it's summer, and in summer I always prefer something lemon. So sunshine and lemon hand soap, this is the foaming one, and this one is also sunshine and lemon. And one more I bought, which one is rose water and ivy. See, so I bought these 3 hand washes for 12 dirham. If you want to buy now or tomorrow, so the price of these hand washes are 15 dirham. The next one is body lotion, so wild lime and gardenia. Here it's mentioned there is a shea butter plus vitamin E in this. So if you have a dry skin, you can go and grab this one. This one is best for your if you have a dry skin, bought this one body lotion. And the price of this body lotion is also 19 dirhams. The original price also it's mentioned, it's 70 dirhams. See, but in sale the price is 19 dirhams. Okay, the next one is, which I bought, same shower gel. Here it's mentioned shea and vitamin E, and my favorite smell is lavender. So I bought this one. Is the price of this body showers are 15 dirhams. And here I'm going to show you the original price is also mentioned here, 70 dirhams. So it's not that much expensive in sale. There is a sale, I think up to 70%. The next two, my favorite, are mists, which I bought. Fine fragrance mist, desert wildflower, and the smell of this mist is like just fresh flowers. Price is 85 dirham, but in sale I bought it around 19 dirhams. So if you want to buy, go and grab it. The next one is fresh gardenia, and this one mist smells like a jasmine. I really like jasmine flower fragrance. And see, here it's mentioned the price 19 dirham. So if you want to buy, go and grab it, because in sale their prices are quite normal, not that much expensive. The one new product which I bought from my body cream, this one is body cream, and the main part is mentioned is hyaluronic acid. As you know, hyaluronic acid is best if you have a dry skin. Hyaluronic is best for your skin, for your face, for your body, to keep your skin moist. So this one, the original price is 49 dirham, and I bought it this one in 15 dirhams. In sale I bought it 15 dirhams, I remember. And it's a quite large big tube, 226 gram. So if you want to buy, must give it a try. The next one, as you know, the Eid al-Adha is coming. So yes, for Eid parties I ordered this one candle, 3 wicks candle. I really like the Bath and Body Works candle, and it smells like a marshmallows. And look at the packaging, such a nice color, purple, light purple and dark purple. See, here in UAE, if you're living in UAE, you can see different variety of candles in IKEA and in different shops, but the most long lasting smell of candle is Bath and Body Works. Even IKEA is not that much fragrance in the candles, but Bath and Body Works, their 3 weeks candles are amazing. If you want to spend on candles, must buy from Bath and Body Works. Here is price mentioned 100 dirhams. See, and it's a 50% off on it, and I bought it 49 dirhams. Yeah. तो ये जो है मैं इंशाल्लाह इसको ईद पार्टीज जब होंगी तो तब मैं इसको लगाऊंगी, और इसकी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेगनेंस एक आती है. आप घर में इंटर होते ही आपको एक अच्छी सी स्मेल आती है. एंड दिस इज़ माई बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क शॉपिंग हॉल. एंड if you want to buy, go and grab it. Sale is still there. I think it's expand for 1 or 2 days, so an additional 10% off on it, and you can do online shopping too. But for the online shopping, you need to be 100 dirhams. After 100 dirhams your delivery will be free. If your bill is less than 100 dirhams, they will charge charge delivery charges from you. तो मेरा ये जो सारा था अराउंड इट्स मोर देन 100 बॉडी मिस्ट एंड कैंडल जो है वो मैंने शॉप से जाके ली थी, और बाकी जो था आई ऑर्डर्ड ऑनलाइन. तो सो इट्स मोर देन 100 dirham, जिसकी वजह से मुझे डिलीवरी फ्री पड़ी. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय, गो एंड ग्रैब इट. I will share you more my makeup collection which I bought it from sale. And so be patient, stay tuned, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.